Welcome to All Motors brand, your ultimate destination for everything related to military and civilian aviation, futuristic automobiles, and advanced transport technologies. Here, we dive deep into the world of engines, designs, and performance, bringing you detailed insights and comprehensive reviews of the most fascinating machines built by mankind. Today's feature takes a closer look at the newly introduced 2025 T-7A Red Hawk, the next-generation advanced trainer aircraft developed for the United States Air Force. Manufactured by Boeing in partnership with SAAB, the T-7A Red Hawk is designed to replace the aging T-38 Talon, marking a major leap in pilot training technology and capability. With its sleek design and advanced systems, the Red Hawk is not just a training aircraft but a representation of how simulation and real-time digital engineering are shaping the future of aviation. The T-7A is powered by a single General Electric F404 engine, capable of delivering impressive thrust that allows the aircraft to reach speeds over Mach 1.2. Its digital fly-by-wire system provides precise handling and adaptability, which enhances both safety and performance. One of the most notable aspects of the Red Hawk is its modular design. This approach significantly reduces maintenance time and cost while offering high reliability and flexibility for future upgrades. The cockpit features state-of-the-art avionics with large area displays and modern controls tailored for pilots transitioning to fifth-generation fighters like the F-35 and F-22. A key advantage of the T-7A is its open systems architecture, which enables seamless integration of future technology without complete redesigns. The aircraft also boasts short takeoff and landing capability, making it highly suitable for diverse environments. In terms of flight training, it supports a full suite of training tools including live, virtual, and constructive elements. These allow instructors and trainees to engage in complex mission scenarios while minimizing costs and maximizing realism. With production underway and initial units already in testing, the Red Hawk is set to enter full operational service soon. Its striking red tail honors the Tuskegee Airmen, linking the legacy of historic excellence with the cutting edge of modern aerospace. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the T-7A Red Hawk. If you love aviation, military tech, and cutting-edge innovations in transport, then All Motors brand is the channel for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest videos on the most exciting machines in the world.